Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have 3 of stars in reverse, 2 of spheres in reverse, and temperance. So in your situation, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you guys, you are quite lonely and you feel left out maybe in your circumstance today. Maybe you feel that people are not communicating with you their decisions, or in your relationship you feel confused and left out. Maybe you feel you do not have good communication with this person you love. So there are some confusion, doubts on this person, and you feel lost and lot of stress. And for some of you, there some messages have reached you. So it may be a message from this person you love, or it may be some communication email or a letter. So that has created the problem for you. So you feel really lost, stressed because of the way things are going today, guys. Capricorn, so their messages have taken you by surprise. You don't know, you do not understand them anymore because the words they are telling you, it is something unexpected, and you feel lost and you have a lot of doubts on this person, confusions, and you don't know what this person is and what is their intention towards you or towards this love you both have. So some kind of doubts or confusions are the order of the day, guys. Capricorn, but I also see that you are someone who is really experienced. You have learned a lot of lessons in your life, experienced a lot today, and you know how to adapt, being really flexible. So you will be able to handle your situation better, guys. So from your past you have valuable lessons and you have learned so much, and you know what is the right way to deal with your situation today, guys. And no matter what difficulties you are facing today in life, Capricorn, you are finding that balance and you will be able to deal your situation harmoniously, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Capricorn, and that is the reading for you all today. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. We have 2 cards here, so you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys, and I will start with the first card. So let's close our eyes for a few seconds, meditate, and I will start the reading with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. Let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, what is the card? It is Gretel. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your life, in your past, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a lot of traumatic situations. Maybe the elders in your family, they have let you down. They were not quite responsible and their attitude has affected your life. And whatever you have faced, your challenges or whatever the traumatic situations you have faced in your life in your childhood years. It has simply made you much more stronger and courageous, and your story is an inspiration. You need not feel shy or you need not fear. You are someone who's very courageous and strong under difficult circumstances, and you are someone who helps others, who help people, and you are a true defender of friends and family. So it is time you inspire the younger generation with your stories, with your ideas, or how to deal with the problems they are facing right now in their life. And you work well as a team, guys, maybe in your work or in your life, in your family. You are a great person to be with. You have beautiful communication skills. You are quick thinking, protective, and you are someone who is supportive and very resourceful. So the people around you, they find you a very good person to be with, and your abilities and strategies, you can talk about it to the younger generation, whomever you are in contact with today, guys, because your stories are simply going to inspire them today in their life, and your strength and courage. So you are moving on, you have moved on from your past. Maybe something happened, maybe if it is something to do with your relationship, you have moved on from a traumatic relationship and you have come out as a strong person. And this courage is going to inspire the person you meet now, and they will feel, maybe you will feel that true connection and communication with this person, guys. You need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have round and round. So again, a beautiful card here. So this just means that in your situation today, guys, you just feel that you have come back to that same spot again. And how did you get here? You are simply wondering how things are going in the same way again now, and how to deal with this present situation. So you need to understand that you are here in this particular situation with a particular type of a person, because it is the spirit's plan for your evolution, guys. That is the reason you have circled back to this accustomed spot in your life today. So this time around, you will know what you need to do differently, maybe respond differently now or behave differently, because you know from your past experience what was your response and what was that experience and what you have learned from it. So you need to let go of that blame game, remain curious now to learn any new changes or any new experiences that are coming today, and you need to respond differently, so that way you will not come back to the same spot again in your life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your relationship you are having similar problems like the past, maybe like the past experiences. So if you respond differently, you are going to break this cycle today, guys. So that is the energy. So you will be able to find a better person who will be with whom you will be able to connect better and have a beautiful relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. With the two cards, we saw such a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.